In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI-powered fitness model, an avatar that can grow into a recognizable athleisure brand across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. This isn't just about views, it's about building a fitness-driven digital asset that can be monetized through affiliate deals, sponsorships, and digital fitness products. If you've ever wanted to create something highly engaging, scalable, and profitable, now is the time. Let's go. AI fitness models are exploding across social media. You've seen virtual influencers, AI fitness trainers, and digital fashion creators getting millions of views and landing major brand deals. Now, imagine doing the same thing in the athleisure niche, where brands like Nike, Lululemon, and Gymshark are constantly looking for influencers to showcase their products. Here's what we're doing in the next 10 minutes. Step 1, create a fitness-driven AI model that becomes the face of your brand. Step 2, generate scroll-stopping AI fitness images that brands love. Step 3, create viral motion clips with high-energy workout visuals. Step 4, build engaging story-driven fitness content to grow your audience. Step 5, monetize your AI fitness model through brand deals and affiliate marketing. Are you into fitness? Drop your favorite athleisure brand in the comments. And if you're serious about building an AI-powered fitness brand, hit that subscribe button. We drop new tutorials every few days. Let's dive in. Your AI fitness model isn't just a character, it's a virtual fitness influencer that will engage audiences and attract brand deals. Here's how I created our AI fitness model using AI. Open Avatar. By prompt in AI Avatar Studio inside Authority Videos, use this exact ChatGPT prompt to generate a fitness model. A fit, athletic female avatar in stylish gym wear, mid-sprint on a futuristic training track. She wears high-performance Lululemon-style leggings and a sleek crop top. Her expression is focused, powerful, and determined. The setting is an advanced sports facility with neon-lit workout equipment. Sweat glistens on her skin, emphasizing her dedication and hard work. Select cinematic style for high-quality fitness visuals, hit generate, and your AI fitness model is born. What's your go-to workout? Running, weightlifting, yoga? Drop it in the comments, and I might create a lesson on an AI fitness brand for your favorite sport. To grow your AI fitness model brand, you need scroll-stopping images that make people want to engage, share, and follow. Here's how to create AI fitness images for maximum growth using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and enter this exact prompt. Generate 5 cinematic image prompts using the word fitness model for an AI influencer showcasing high-performance gym wear. Example prompts from ChatGPT. 1. AI model doing battle ropes in a neon-lit gym, sweat flying. 2. AI athlete mid-air box jump, wearing Nike Pro leggings and sneakers. 3. Close-up of AI model stretching, showcasing seamless workout fabric. 4. AI model running on a track, slow-motion hair movement. 5. AI fitfluencer posing in front of a gym mirror with different outfit colors. Copy and paste each ChatGPT prompt into Use My Avatar. Hit generate and watch as your AI fitness model comes to life. Now your AI fitness model isn't just a concept, it's a visually stunning digital athlete ready for brand deals and affiliate marketing. Short, high-energy AI clips get crazy engagement on TikTok and Reels. Here's how to add motion to AI fitness images. Pick an image from Use My Avatar, click Generate Clip, watch as AI adds motion effects, export and post on TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. These motion clips are perfect for fitness challenges, athleisure promos, and brand deals. Now that we've created stunning AI fitness images and short motion clips, it's time to tell a story. People don't just follow content, they follow transformations, challenges, and inspiring fitness journeys. Creating short AI-driven fitness stories will hook your audience, increase engagement, and make your AI fitness model a recognizable brand. Here's how to create viral AI fitness story videos using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Generate 3 viral short video concepts using the word fitness model for an AI influencer. Each video must have 3 5-second scenes that showcase a workout transformation, a fitness challenge, or a motivational moment. Example prompts from ChatGPT adjusted for the 3 5-second scene format. Example 1, the 30-day transformation, a 15-second viral short showcasing a powerful AI fitness transformation. Scene 1, the AI fitness model, struggles to do a single push-up, falling to the ground, exhausted. Scene 2, fast-forward montage of intense training, sweating, lifting, sprinting. Scene 3, the AI model nails a perfect handstand push-up, flexing triumphantly. Example 2, the ultimate fitness challenge, a 15-second intense speed challenge to keep audiences hooked. Scene 1, AI fitness model, preparing at the starting line, timer counting down. Scene 2, high-speed clips of burpees, squats, and sprinting, sweat flying. Scene 3, the AI model collapses in victory, timer flashes, new record. Example 3, from gym to street, the athleisure flex, a stylish 15-second AI fashion transition, perfect for athleisure partnerships. Scene 1, AI model finishes a tough workout, sweat dripping, catching their breath. Scene 2, a dramatic outfit transition, leggings and sports bra morph into stylish streetwear. Scene 3, the AI model steps confidently onto the street, sunglasses on. Open the Use My Avatar section in Authority Videos AI Studio. Copy and paste each ChatGPT prompt into Use My Avatar, hit Generate Video, and watch as AI brings the full short story videos to life. Now, let's see what AI has created. Here are all 3 fully generated viral fitness stories. Video 1, the 30-day transformation. AI model starts weak, montage of training, and ends stronger than ever. Video 2, the ultimate fitness challenge. AI model competes in a record-breaking workout challenge, achieving victory. Video 3, from gym to street, the athleisure flex. AI model transitions seamlessly from gym mode to high-end streetwear fashion. We've now taken our AI fitness model from a static image to motion clips, and now to fully story-driven videos. These are perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, helping you build an audience, increase engagement, and attract brand partnerships fast. Now go build your AI fitness empire. Here's how to turn your AI fitness model into passive income. The easiest and most effective monetization models. Step 1, affiliate marketing, promote Nike, Lululemon, Gymshark links. Step 2, sponsorships, partner with fitness brands looking for digital influencers. Step 3, athleisure merch, sell custom AI fitness posters, digital art, or branded leggings. With just affiliate links, sponsorships, and merch, your AI fitness model is now a real digital influencer making money. We just walked through the entire process of building an AI-powered fitness model, step by step. You saw how to generate an AI fitness influencer, create viral images and clips, and monetize your avatar through brand partnerships and affiliate marketing. Want more? Drop yes in the comments for a deeper breakdown. Now go build your AI fitness empire.